All right, walkers, what did we just find up on the Overlook?
Let's go see what we got here. What are these? Did that just make music? Oh, check that out.
This is Optik, an interactive art installation created by Creos.
Hey guys!
A group that brings touring public art to major cities. This one just landed here at the Overlook. The idea is pretty simple, it's super cool. Each circle spins on a central gyroscopic axis, and when you move it, it catches the light from the strip and throws back these crazy reflections and patterns. The best part, we're supposed to touch it, push it, spin it. Every rotation makes its own light, shadow, and sound. It's like a giant interactive kinetic toy built for adults. And honestly, it does exactly what it's supposed to. We came upon it and we just could not stop playing with it. So I don't know how long it's been here or how long it's going to be staying here. So if you get a chance, you have to go up and give it a try. We found this during the live stream and we actually had some fun in the chat trying to figure out what it was.
It might be a portal. Where are we gonna get teleported to? Back to the 90s. Kristen, I'm with you, let's do it.
Now, I'm pretty sure it's not a teleportal, but how cool would that be if it was? Creos calls it immersive urban art, which is basically a fancy way of saying we want you to have fun with it. And I mean, look at it. At night, it is beautiful. The reflections it picks up from the neon lights of the Las Vegas Strip. It is a great addition. I hope it's here for a while. I mean, I felt like a little kid up there, spinning these discs, just checking out the lights, hearing the sounds. I could have stayed up there for hours. So if you're walking past the boulevard, make sure you take a trip up to the Overlook. Check out what the strip looks like from that view up there. It is absolutely amazing. Play around with these and have some fun. Enjoy the rest of the video. Just listen to the sounds and the sights. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it to your friends, let them see this new immersive experience right here on the Las Vegas Strip.
That one kind of sounds like R2-D2. Oh wait, these are portals back to the 90s. I really feel like I should have Jay here supervising me so I don't get myself in trouble. I could spin these all night. Let's see, what if we spin that way?